What's up guys, everything in one, back again with another video. And today the Huawei P50 and the P50 Pro have been officially announced in China, and at the moment we are checking out the new Huawei P50 Pro, which is looking really beautiful. As you can see on the back, there's a unique whopping camera housing style that makes use of double rings to house the sensors, and the camera setup is framed by a metallic plate, so the issue with camera bump is almost resolved. The phone is quite slim and sleek too, providing a comfortable grip. When we move towards the front, the beauty of Huawei P50 Pro looks more attractive. The Huawei P50 Pro has a 6.6-inch curved OLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution of 2700 x 1224 pixels. In order to make things more spicier, the screen has a 120Hz refresh rate and a 300Hz touch sampling rate, which makes the display super silky and quick. The screen looks huge, really huge, and it has a punch hole cutout on the top center of the display, housing a 13-megapixel selfie shooter. Overall, the phone looks quite premium and beautiful from the front. It can display up to 1 billion colors and has a P3 wide color gamut. It is also IP68 resistant against dust and water, and also it is fairly lightweight, with the standard model weighing 181 grams and the Pro one 195 grams. That's a fair bit less than your average iPhone. The Huawei P50 Pro is the true powerhouse 2021 flagship from the company. It comes in two flavors, one with a 4G locked Snapdragon 888 and another with 5G capable Kirin 9000 SoC. The Kirin 9000 is a bit weaker than Snapdragon 888, but some might prefer it for its 5G capabilities. However, it is quite disappointing and strange that P50 Pro do not support 5G connectivity on its Snapdragon version, even though the 888 is capable to do that. So this is what you should all note before you will buy this device. The P50 Pro is available with either 8 or 12GB of RAM with up to 512GB of UFS 3.1 internal storage. The P50 Pro comes with a slightly bigger 4360 mAh power pack, which seem quite modest for a flagship phone, so we hope there are some smart software optimizations to keep the device ticking over for a decent length of time. It comes with Harmony OS 2.0, which is indeed a really nice user interface, loaded with a ton of new features and more, and it is a really good rival to Android. There's a 66-watt wired charging in this handset, which is a pretty fast for a smartphone, though about the same as for other flagships on the market. The Pro also has a 50-watt wireless charging. As usual, the star feature of the newest B series Pro is the camera. It has a quad lens system on the back with a 50-megapixel main, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, a 64-megapixel telephoto and a 40-megapixel monochrome sensor. Huawei is teasing the color accuracy of this system as being one of its big selling points. It is also the highest scorer on DxO camera ratings. So let me know what are your opinions about this device in comments. Pricing details will be in the description, so make sure to check them out. For now, the Huawei P50 series is only available in China. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling. Okay guys, before you leave, we have some really great deal for you if you are a beginner trader or someone who is interested in trading like me. This video is sponsored by Bynamo. The Bynamo trading platform is a simple and convenient tool for online trading. Bynamo teaches you everything you need to know about finance and stock market trading. Even though if you are not a pro in trading, Bynamo gives you a free demo account by which you can easily practice trading and trade on different stocks without losing any fund. If you find trading so complicated, now it's no more with Bynamo. As you can see, I am on official Bynamo Android app and the interface is extremely convenient. First you have to select the asset which you are interested in, like I am in crypto IDX, then just select the amount you want to trade and adjust the duration, like for how long you want to stake your money, and then just execute the trade. A little bit of research can double your invested fund if you are using Bynamo trading tool, just like I did. Do not be afraid to try something new for yourself. Becoming a trader is not as difficult as you think. Moreover, if you will download Bynamo from the link in the description and register with our promo code, you will get 100% deposit bonus. Your deposited fund will be increased up to 100%. So go download Bynamo now, link is in the description.